Want to know how to save money in creative ways? You're at the right place. Today, we're going to reveal 5 smart hacks that can help you save money without turning your life upside down. Money saving doesn't have to be a chore, and with these hacks, it can even be fun and rewarding. We all know that the art of saving money is an essential life skill, but often we're not sure where or how to start. It's the small, smart decisions that can make a big difference in our financial health. By rethinking our habits and making simple changes, we can all become savvy savers. From meal prep to DIY projects, each of these hacks is designed to help you stretch your dollar further, giving you the freedom to save for your future, fund your dreams, or simply enjoy the peace of mind that comes with financial stability. Ready to dive in? Let's unlock the first saving hack. Hack number 1. Master the art of meal prep. Picture this. You spend a few hours on a leisurely Sunday afternoon planning your meals for the week. You create a shopping list, hit the grocery store, and then spend a couple of hours cooking up a storm. Now, not only have you saved a significant chunk of change by avoiding those pricey takeouts, but you've also prepped meals for the entire week. This little hack does double duty. You see, when Wednesday rolls around and you're swamped with work, there's no need to scramble or reach for that food delivery app. You've got a homemade meal ready to go, and with your meals planned out, you're less likely to impulse buy when you're grocery shopping. So, grab that apron and channel your inner Gordon Ramsay. Turn on some music, get chopping, and watch the savings pile up. Moving on to hack number 2. Time for a subscription audit. Imagine you're walking down a street and every few steps, you drop a coin. It doesn't seem like much at the moment, but by the end of the road, you've lost a small fortune. That's what's happening with your unused subscriptions. And that's where our second hack comes in, the subscription audit. Think about it. How many streaming services do you subscribe to? How about magazines or apps? It's time to review these monthly subscriptions and eliminate the ones that aren't essential. It's like cleaning out your closet, but this time, you're decluttering your expenses. Sure, you might miss that obscure music app or the monthly dog fashion magazine, but trust me, your wallet will thank you. Those small amounts, when added up, can make a significant difference to your savings. Before we move to the next hack, here's a friendly reminder. If you're finding value in these smart savings hacks, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss out on our latest videos filled with practical tips and tricks. Now back to our money-saving journey. Hack number 3. Become a thrift store enthusiast. Thrift store shopping is like embarking on a treasure hunt. You never know what unique, budget-friendly finds you'll stumble upon. From vintage clothing to antique furniture, there's always something exciting to discover. And the best part? You get to revamp your wardrobe or your home decor without straining your wallet. Thrift stores are not just for the budget-conscious, they're for the style-conscious too. In a world where fast fashion is the norm, thrift stores offer a sustainable alternative. You can find high-quality items that have stood the test of time and give them a new lease on life. And remember, thrift store shopping isn't limited to clothing. You can find books, home goods, and even electronics at a fraction of the retail price. So next time you're thinking of heading to the mall, why not try your local thrift store instead? Hack number 4. Embrace the DIY spirit. A little creativity can go a long way in stretching your budget. Consider do-it-yourself projects as a fun and cost-effective way to meet your needs. Whether it's home decor, gifts, or simple repairs, rolling up your sleeves and getting hands-on can save you big bucks. Not only will you cut costs, but you'll also get to flex your creative muscles. There's a certain satisfaction that comes with creating something with your own 2 hands. You might even discover hidden talents you never knew you had. Think about it. Why buy an expensive wall art when you can create your own masterpiece? Or why pay for a repair when you can fix it yourself and learn a new skill in the process? Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned, so get those creative juices flowing and start your DIY adventure today. Our final hack: save your spare change. Now, this might sound like something your grandparents would say, but trust me, it works. Every time you make a purchase, whether it's a coffee, a book, or a snack, save the change. It could be actual coins, or rounding up to the nearest dollar on your card transactions. Collect this change in a jar or a piggy bank. It might not seem like much at first glance, it's just a few cents here, a dollar there, right? But over time, these small amounts can add up in a big way. Think about it. If you saved just 50 cents a day by the end of the year, you'd have over $180. That's a nice chunk of change, isn't it? This hack encourages us to appreciate the value of every single penny, because when it comes to savings, every little bit helps. And there we have it, 5 creative ways to save money today. Let's recap. meal prep to save on food expenses, audit subscriptions and cut out the unnecessary ones, thrift store shopping for wallet-friendly finds, DIY projects to unleash creativity while saving, and finally, stashing spare change. Small amounts that can make a big difference over time. It's all about being savvy and making smart decisions. Remember, a penny saved is a penny earned. Start saving smart today.